Hey, guys, here's another LEGO review. Here's the policeman. He has a megaphone. Wait. Handcuffs. Keep doing that. And here is his head. No special printing on the back. And it was like that. Here's the barricade. Goes on the road. LEGO road. Comes with the set. LEGO road comes with the set. Because it's a special police set. I got this set at Toys R Us. Daddy. I said I got this set at Toys R Us.
Awesome. Did you tell him how much it was?
No.
Maybe you should tell him. Was it $19.99?
I got it for $4. And this keep falling. Supposed to go like that. Here's the prisoner. No special printing on the back. Said being hat. Here's a little backpack with money in it, another money. Another prisoner with a shiny ring. No special printing. This is Cohen's extra set. Bye, guys. I'm gonna do a